In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to write agreements in Dropbox. If you want to create, send, and sign agreements without leaving the Dropbox ecosystem, Dropbox Sign is the easiest way to do it. It's especially useful when you already have a document prepared and just need to turn it into a professional agreement that others can review and sign. To begin, open Dropbox Sign by going to sign.dropbox.com. Once you're there, log in using your Dropbox account. This connects everything smoothly so you can manage your files and signature requests in one place. After you're logged in, start a new agreement by clicking Request Signature. Then choose Upload File and select the agreement document you want to use. This can be a PDF or a Word file depending on what you already have prepared. If your agreement is already written, this step gets you most of the way there. If you need to make changes to the agreement before sending it out, click Edit Document. This lets you update the content directly so the file is ready for signing. At this stage, make sure the agreement includes the important details such as the terms and conditions, payment details, and the names of the parties involved. A helpful tip here is to prepare the agreement in Word first, then upload it. That usually makes the writing and formatting process easier before you move into the signing stage. Once the document looks right, add the signers. Enter the email addresses for everyone involved in the agreement, and then assign their roles. For example, you might label one person as the buyer and another as the seller. This helps keep the signing process organized and makes it clear who needs to complete which part of the document. Next, add the signature fields to the agreement. You can drag and place the fields exactly where they're needed in the document. Common fields include a signature field, the date, the signer's name, and a checkbox if the agreement requires one. Take a moment here to place everything carefully so each signer knows exactly where to fill in their information. When everything is set up, click Next. You'll have the option to add a message, which is useful if you want to give a quick explanation or context to the recipients. After that, click Send for signature. That's it. Your agreement is now on its way and ready to be signed through Dropbox Sign. If you follow these steps carefully, you can create a clear professional agreement and send it out with very little hassle.